get the chug cannon. They're chugging.
Yeah, the purple star. I'm dropping my blue AR.
Bro, he's down there. Down there.
Let's go and make me shotgun.
Oh, they're gonna knock. They're gonna knock down.
Chris, you got the new back bling.
Yeah, no. Will, I got shotgun.
No, they're not gonna knock.
On Will, on Will, on Will.
I'm gonna knock. I'm gonna knock down.
43. Will, you're one tap to that. Be careful, be careful. Doesn't light it on fire because it's brick.
Me.
If I were you, Will, get down, get down, get down, Will. Will, you're
I
so
didn't
up
knock. I cracked one. Cracked one.
there. On the floor, he's on the floor.
Whoa! Whoa! They're trying to crack me.
Get in that bush, Will. He's in that bottom.
No, they're not.
Right there on Will, on Will.
No, Will, I have a med kit for you.
Uh-oh.
Cracked him. Frick, the Jonesy hit me, but I cracked one.
Bro, Will's so low.
Will, get in a box.
Someone has a chug cannon?
That's not. Yeah, fine.
No, it's not gonna go down and heal off, Cameron. Don't you think for a second it's gonna go down and heal off?
Oh, I'm gonna get this.
Bro, it's 2-2-1. It's 2-2-1. Chris, get out of there. Mythic, there's a Mythic over there. Bro, he's got high ground. Will, you have so many mats. Oh, Will got one. Finish, finish.
On me?
Finish him. Chuck cannon, chuck cannon. Let's pick it up.
Coming. Killed him. What? Last person.
Bro, Chris just found an explosive bow and a shotgun bow.
Bro, I killed everyone.
Bro, it's one kid. He might be in the bush. He might be in a bush.
Dude, I legit. You know me? I jumped up and all chicks.
There's so many trees.
He was in zone with me. I jumped and then I won.
Bro,
oh,
where is he?
he can't be in the
And now you guys can go heal off. Yeah, knock the whole thing down. Knock the whole thing. Oh my god. Oh my. 2
Is he
HP.
Where is he?
He just hit Will in the head. Bro, he just hit Will 98.
Will, I have too many for you.
Bro, he hit Will 98 and then the boom hit him only once for 20 and he's 22 HP.
Take that, Will.
Well, use the chug cannon.
He's out of it. It's out of charge.
Will,
He's
no,
won,
save
'cause it's a glitch.
Save that for the end game.
No, Will needs to use it for higher health. He'll charge up anyway. Bro, where is that kid? He's right there. Bro, he's crouching. Headshot him. You got this, Will. You got high ground. Beam him. Let's go!
See, I had 5.
Bro! Oh my god. 23 kills. Almost killed.
We keep finding llamas. That is a guy literally
Let me try it again. My kill.
Oh,
the
this
loot,
kid
that's
might-
my loot. Someone rebooted? They rebooted?
I might die by this kid. He's a bot too.
46! In the head white.
Cameron's fighting who lied? Wait, Chris left.
Heads up. Heads up.
I'm coming, guys.
He's in zone, he's in zone. Bro, he's carrying me. Please shake me. He's shaking me!
I'm coming.
Right there. Don't finish. In there, in there. Stink him.
I'm coming, Will.
Go in that building. Res.
I'm here.
Bro, I'm on the bed.
That's a nice spot.
And then Cameron will give you 2 minis. Cameron's got you 2 minis. No way you guys win this, bro. 1 HP.
Two over there.
Ooh! And then there's one behind you. If you guys can take out these sweats, you got this. I mean, the kid who killed me's a sweat.
Killed him? I'm at 1 HP though.
31 white. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my. This kid's beaming you, Will. Bro, there's so many of them! Bro, they're